Yun. Yun. So, what's up mga katumba? Good morning, good morning. This is our third day here in Georgia. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, para kami mga astronaut ngayon at ang kakapal ng suot namin. Dahil ngayong araw na to, kami ay mag-i-snow. Punta kami sa snow. Anong lugar yun, eh? Godaure, Georgia. So, ayun. Outfit check tayo. May misis ka doon ba? Ayan. At baby ka doon ba? Ayan, oh. At syempre, sa akin, outfit check. Ayan. Naka-boots. Bali, 3 patong ang suot namin dahil
ito nasa labas.
Oo.
Yung sombrero, para kong kuba.
Ang info namin ay nasa negative 3 degrees doon ngayon. So, parang kuba, ayusin ko yan mamaya. Negative 3. Ayan, morning. Ayan, teka lang ha. Ayan. At pupunta muna tayo dito sa breakfast. Mag-breakfast na tayo. Alright. Yun o. Mateo, good morning. Ayun na. Good morning, Arep.
Hi.
Good morning,
Hi, morning.
So, ayan. Magbe-breakfast muna tayo. Breakfast muna. Breakfast. Pero may isa, miss. Sila mama, yun na. Ayan, lalagay lang mga gamit. Nakalagay mo dyan. Pati ito. Yun, no?
Mag-akyat pa kayo?
So, kakain muna tayo ng breakfast. Tatanggalin ko. So, magtatanggal muna tayo ng jacket, guys. Yung breakfast natin,
3 rice, 40.
yan, may pasta, scrambled egg, ham, salami, and sausage. At syempre may juice tayo dito.
Fried na, ano yan?
Juice. O, kakain muna tayo mga katumba. Yan.
You eat orange. Mag-inom ka ng basket.
GoPro, stop recording.
Negative 8.
Oh my gosh.
So ayun mga katumba, tapos na tayong kumain. Sila Mrs. Katumba nandun pa, nagchichika minute pa. So sa ngayon, God bless you. Good morning. Yan, ganito kami sa Europe. Kala mo taga-Europe talaga eh. Sa ngayon, hinihintay na lang namin yung yung van na sasakyan namin na maghahatid sa amin doon sa bundok na may snow. Dahil yun naman talaga purpose namin dito, makakita ng snow. So, ba't nagbiblink? Ayun. Yun, no? Di ba? Ganda, no? So mamaya ay update ko na lang kayo. Siguro pag nandun na lang na kami. Kasi isi-save natin tong tong battery. Baka maubusan tayo ng battery. Dadalawin dala kong battery. Para mabidyohan natin yung snow doon. Alright? GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, bahala ka dyan. So, ayun guys, at nandito na yung aming tour guide. Si-share ko lang sa inyo na ito palang building na to. Ito. Yan. Kung nakikita niyo mga building na yan, it's more than 100 years na pala. According to the tour guide.
That's why.
Umi-English pa lolo nyo, ha? Bigay ni men.
Last time he's asking me, don't forget
So, yun.
their name Shizu. When you don't know your
Pag pumunta kayo dito, maganda kayo ng maraming maraming ubo.
name of the cycle,
Ang daming ubo dito.
our fathers are
Ubo, sipon.
close together. So they are
Hindi, maganda kayo ng maraming
now
panlaban sa lamig. Yun ang dapat nyong gawin dito. Wash your hands na, Miguel. Nakakita kasi si baby katumba ng pusa dito. So, pinakain niya ng sausage and salami. Ayun, basta yun. So, ayun na yung van na sasakyan namin. Yan.
Wait,
Alright.
wait. I got something to go on.
So, siguro,
Something to tell
mamaya na lang ulit. Ang lamig dito sa labas. Oh, ayun na nga mga katumba. Nandito tayo sa bundok.
going now.
Malapit na rin naman daw kami. Ha? Dali mo lang.
So cold.
So bababa muna
always cold. Don't come outside without jacket.
without jacket. Okay.
But we're not in the mountains.
I forgot to bring my swimming trunk. Ayun Mio, baka may magustuhan ka din dyan. Iyon oh. Nag-ano lang tayo at sobrang lamig yata dito. Ito guys, oh, tatapakan natin, yelo na. Iyon oh. Yun, snow na doon sa kabila. So malapit-lapit na tayo dun sa ating pinakamimiti. Kami, madulas ha. Oh. Ayan Mio, may mga ganyan pala oh. Kaya lang baka mahal. No? Ito. Hi. How much this one? 30. Kasi anak. Miguel, come here. Miguel. Miguel, ayun no. Ito ba?
There's maska.
Oh, may mask na rin. Try mo. Baka pwede sa'yo.
Mesela çaylı var.
Oh. No discount?
25 okay.
20, I will get 2.
20 no.
No?
25 last price.
25 lang?
Yes.
Oh. Try. Try ito my son.
But it's so slippery.
Tingnan mo kung mainit din.
Да.
Ice.
Tanong okay siya. Oh.
This is maska.
Mas.
Maska, aha.
Mamaya mo ni suot yung mas anak, alkoholan muna natin. 20 I will get 2.
Huh? Two,
Possible?
I told 45 last price.
45. Okay.
45.
Okay, give us 2. No other color?
Color black, yes, color.
Oh, no, black only.
Black color, this.
White?
This is good. Package.
Wait, Miguel, ano sa'yo, white? Ba?
Huh?
Mi, kukuha ba kayo ni Tetel, dalawa? Tingin, para 45 lang.
Tel.
Nakabarat na naman si Mr. Katumba.
This.
Yeah, for her.
Wow.
So, ayun. Ito muna tayo at bibili tayo ng pwede natin gamitin. Alright?
Walk here. Walk here.
Don't stand there.
Ayan, maganda. Ito. Ayan.
This one is the?
This.
Oh.
I want to.
Pwede na. Nakatawad ako. 2.45.
This one.
30 daw eh. Sabi ko, 2.45. May mas pa siya kasama.
Slow down.
Wow! So ayun mga katumba, ayan, nakapambarat na naman si Katumba dito. Alright. O, di ba? Mas okay to kasi cover na yung tenga niya, tapos may mask pa. Ayan. Di ba? Sabi niya 30, so nakuha namin ng 3.65.
Did you go there?
So pwede na rin.
Still be a little bit visible.
He's my friend.
Yeah, how are you?
Say hi to my vlog.
Good morning.
Invite them.
We are going to, yeah, of course, you must come to my country. Local tourist guide always you must choose. Don't go to foreigner tourist guide. This is the first I want to say. Now we are going to Gudauri Ski Resort. Gudauri Ski Resort is one of the new ski resort. We have total 4 ski resorts in Georgia. On the way we have some few stops. Summertime we can stop 5-6 times. Winter time only we will stop 2 or 3 times because daylight is short and we are a little bit hurry to be in the ski resort for a long time.
Alright, thank you. So ayun guys, hindi ko alam kung may lalagay ko yung phone number niya dito, pero hingi ako ng business card. Hanapin niyo lang si Alex.
This business card, just a minute.
Alex, right?
Alex, of course. This is the business card. And this is the Alex during summertime hiking. Yeah,
Oh,
keep it.
Okay. So ayun guys, pag punta nyo dito sa Georgia, hanapin nyo to, si Alex. Napakabait, sobra. He's a good guy. Alright? So ayun, tapos na tayong mambarat dito. Tapos na tayong mambarat at ayun, paalis na ulit kami. Papunta na kami sa destination. See you guys.
I'm running to a line. At least I can grab a snow.
Oh, ba't nag-power off?
Dali, picture. Okay. So many houses. This is okay, but I think I can grab the snow.
Eh, ano ba yan?
I can grab big.
Yan o. Snow. Yun, yung truck is low. Oh my goodness. Kinukuha na natin yung excuse me. Kinukuha na natin yung snow. May truck na slow. Ito guys, oh. GoPro, stop recording. Yun oh. Andito na tayo guys. Medyo madulas pala to. Ito. Hey. You want some ice cream?
Basta touching snow.
Mami, madulas ha?
Snow!
Madulas pala yung sapatos natin. Hey. So ito yung panoramic view na sinasabi. Look at this.
RF, I don't need to...
Ah!
Touch it, touch it.
Snowball. Hey.
Another snow! Mama, snow.
Ayan.
Kani F no, kita pa F.
Careful. Ayan na.
Now, and the snow na.
Ayun, meron silang ano dito. Spiral potato and corn. Potato. Ito puti mas potato.
Ah, I love the snow. My glove.
Oh yeah.
Help my glove.
Ayan ha. Asan na si Miggy? Nauna na? Yun, si baby Katumba nauna na.
Yeah, we arrived on the top of the Caucasia mountain. It's part of the Caucasia. Caucasia we are calling. Georgia is in the middle. Around Georgia, it's Caucasioni Mountains, means Caucasia Mountains.
Caucasia Mountain.
Caucasia.
Ah, okay. Not Croatia.
Not Croatia, it's
Caucasia. Caucasia.
Yeah.
Kasi maluwag siya, guys.
This is the road which goes to Russia. That's why there are trucks now coming. Some of them are taking products from China via Russia. And they are going to Europe. Georgia, it's a Silk Road. The road which is for trading, it's almost 4,000 years old. It's historical road.
Okay. So yun, dito pala yung Caucasia. Kaya siya tinawag na Caucasia kasi malaki. So kasya siya. Bigla-bigla na nagsasalita yung tourist guide natin, guys. Whew. Diba naman cellphone naman si Miggy, Mi?
Wala tayong pang picture man lang.
Kay Miggy.
Eh, nauna na yung anak mo dun eh.
Lagi kita habulin na pag uhula-hula.
Ayun o, ito yung ilalim.
I-1 mo na lang.
Hey. Ayan. So bali baka mamaya pa raw lumamig dahil yung todong lamig, sobrang lamig daw mamaya. Medyo
My friend is blogging.
Hi,
Tell me your name.
I'm Miguel
Miguel.
from Philippines.
Yeah, Miguel came from Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a nice person. He's going to log something for the memory. Very nice.
Yeah.
After this, we are going to have experience of the cable car.
Pagod ako tumalon.
Then people will maybe do some activities of the snow bike or ski or
Layo tayo sa kanya, hindi ko siya maintindihan. Hindi, joke lang. Ayun, meron din ditong torrent na jet ski. Hindi, ski. Basta, bahala siya dyan. Diyan lang siya nakapark.
level.
Alright.
Should be more level here. Not a big snow.
So, ayun. Punta muna natin sila Vinces Katumba at si Baby Katumba.
Wait.
Saan ka jump?
Doon.
Huwag na, dito na lang. Dito, Mio. Tuntong ka dito. Tapos ganun yung paa mo.
Go, 3.
Ayoko.
Okay, go, 3.
Jump there? No. No.
Okay, you can take you.
Miggy, dali mo na yung gloves mo.
Alright. So ito, ang ganda guys. Salamat kay Mami Katumba at dinala niya kami rito. And congratulations to Miguel.
Picture na tayong tatlo.
Dahil achiever siya,
Picture tayong tatlo, be.
dinala kami ni Mami dito. Alright.
Wow.
Throw it. Miguel, throw it. Miguel,
Look.
take picture. Hey!
Game.
Hey! Careful, Mami, ha? Ingat kayo dyan. GoPro, stop recording.
No, snowball
So,
na.
ayun na nga mga katumba. Andito na nga tayo sa snow. Yan, ito ang tawag dito, snow. Ang tawag naman dito is poop. May is poop.
Malamig ma.
Hindi kasi may mga kabayo dito. Ayan na.
Pawis tayo sa init kasi sa araw man.
Ayan nga. Alright. So, picturean muna natin sila. Si Baby Katumba at saka si Mami Katumba. Alright. GoPro, stop recording.
അപ്പൊ നമ്മളെ കിട്ടത്തില്ല.
Left side are Georgian people, right side are Russian.
Slow ball. Hindi. Punch this.
Matigas po yan.
Seriously? Oh, yeah. Matigas nga siya. Ah, may drone. Matigas anak eh.
Matigas.
Gumawa ka lang tapos gano'n lang. Yan no? Ayun, Miggy, may silipan mo yan no? May bayad ba yan? Alright.
Ah, dali, sige. Teka, bibidyo ko lang, wait. Games na, ano? Game na. Teka lang.
Hindi sa iyong maano.
Traditions, fairy tales, folklores, legends, different things, industrial development.
Yun no?
Ito the best.
Parami na yung tao.
Russian side,
Kaya nga.
Georgian side. Those are the similar.
Parami na yung tao
Bigyan na.
guys.
Game, 1, 2, 3.
Eh. Lalaro na ng bola. Bolang yellow si Miguel. Joseph. Alright. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
Ano mo eh?
GoPro, stop recording.